What's up? Good morning. Guess what? We're in the car with this guy. Say hello, Mike. Say hello. Say hello, Rachel.
Hey.
We're going to Mammoth. They got like 10 to 12 feet of snow. So we're gonna go snowboarding. I mean, come on, you can't miss that much snow. But there's a blizzard hitting right now. There's a blizzard hitting tomorrow, and then Friday, it's supposed to be partly sunny. Getting up into the mountains here. We're about, what, 2 hours out of LA? And there's definitely a big white puff of clouds, which is snow and storms and blizzards. And it's coming off the mountains, so we're driving right into it. Usually you want to drive away from storms like this, but we're going right into it. All right, one of the most essential things to do when you drive to Mammoth is get jerky. And we got this, we got,
take out your braces.
We got turkey jerky hickory, we got jalapeno, we got mango, we got sriracha, and we got crushed red pepper.
I want that one.
Jerky. Jerky. Are you ready for jerky?
Yeah, take your card, give me your jerky.
I think Gumby wants some jerky. Here you go, Mike. You can have those. Busted out the pizza. We had no idea we had cold pizza in the car. Look at that. Awesome. All about the cold pizza. All right, so the first stop, anytime you're coming to, oh no, don't want to get hit by the UPS truck. Whoa, that guy almost took me out.
He was not stopping.
The place you have to go if you're going from LA to Mammoth or anywhere up to Mammoth is Shots. Shots Bakery. It's awesome. It's delicious. There's lots of goodies here. And you know what? This is awesome because there's no one here. Usually the line... Really, Mike?
Whoa! Whoa!
Usually this place is so crowded you can't even walk in here because there's so many people. But today it's empty, so we're gonna get some treats. I think we're gonna get some... What are we getting, Rach?
I got some.
What did you get there?
I got some pizzas. You guys get a sample on your way?
What?
Looks like she got some pizza bread.
Okay.
Oh,
We're doing that,
I
right?
like pizza bread.
I figured we get a mix.
Yeah, we should get some.
Good.
Great success. We got a chili cheese bread and a pizza bread. All right, it's a pretty sunset, so we stopped on the side of the road to get a quick drone shot. All right, we made it sliding into town, but the snow is awesome. First things first, we got to get some supplies, so we're here at the Vaughn's. It's snowing. I gotta get my snow boots out because my toes are already cold. I love being in the mountains though. Everyone's all bundled up, big parkas. Eggs, essential.
Which ones we getting?
Another essential in the mountains is some beverages. So you want Irish? You want Kahlua?
I was gonna go, let's go with the Irish, but the luck of the Irish. Go, Rach, go!
Hey, it's snowing! Guys, look at this. We got a nice little puff of snow. Gonna get some fresh powder by the morning. Oh yeah.
This car's made for this.
Welcome to your home, you're in. All right guys, we made it to the house. I gotta show you this place. It is incredible. So here is the bedroom me and Rachel have. Check that out, pretty rad. Here's the other bedroom. That's what we're about to be doing. Look how much snow. That is just, yep. Upstairs, look at this place. So sick. Love staying in nice places when you come up here in Mammoth. It just makes it that much better. Mike, let's check out your room. So a couple other guys are meeting us up here. Tony and Kevin. They're the ones that own that boxing gym we always go to. So they're meeting us here. Kevin has brought his awesome Jeep and he's been off-roading the whole way up. So they're a little bit behind us. They've been getting off the highway and off-roading. This is a bear-tastic bear house. And more bears, more bears, and more bears, and more bears. What's up, bear? How funny is that? Cool, I like bears. We're in the mountains. There should be bears everywhere.
And I'm getting ready to board tomorrow morning. I'm with Rachel and Jevin and a couple other guys. What's up, guys? He's the guy who shoots all my challenges stuff.
Mike's doing a Facebook Live right now, so I'm trying to be quiet.
You know, we're not just,
So I'm vlogging over here.
We're together. We are guys.
So we seem to have an issue. I'll show you what the issue is. Just take a look at Rachel all bundled up. Can you guess what the issue is? We can't figure out the heater.
My only job was to figure out the heater.
This is the fireplace. It's not working. Mike, how's it going?
Slow, but forward.
Forward? How are you forward? There's no heat.
I'm coming. I'm working on it. I'm not a plumber. I'm not an electrician.
My toes are cold.
I'm gonna have another beer. Maybe that'll help warm me up a little bit. Rachel, it looks like you found a little portable heater.
Is it on?
This is our solution. Is that the heat?
Boom, pow, motherfucker!
What happened?
Heat's on!
How'd you figure that one out?
Just a little program, a little software engineering, you know, using the mind, not the muscle.
I heard him listening to YouTube videos.
All right, so everyone has showed up here. We got Kevin and Tony. Say hello, guys. Hi.
Hello, guys.
Tony's over there actually watching our vlogs, but he's on the vlog right now. So you know you're around a bunch of fitness people when you have someone with an electric stem, you have Mike rolling on a vibrating foam roller, and you have Kevin laying on some other balls. And there's like stretch bands. And here's a ball and a stick. It's game time.
How can you be so serious though? I'm just boom, game time.
Game time. Rachel got us all for computers, and we're playing a game.
Yeah, everyone's no more.
How many are we taking?
11.
1, 2. We're playing Bananagrams. Bananagrams. They're fact checking me.
Bill
Okay.
or Rostam of
All right,
external.
Hey, round one. Round one, I win. Hey, and check this
He was
out.
so quiet. That was his first
So
time. At the end.
we found the music, and the music came with this cool light show. Why not? Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you on the next
No
one,
more videos.
which is
Stop
tomorrow
talking.
morning. We're going snowboarding. Even if it's blizzard, we're still going to try and get up and go. Hopefully it's not a blizzard, but it is supposed to be 20 to 30 mile an hour winds. Should be interesting. Subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.